Hannah with WTI. Let me introduce you to your new favorite tote bag. This tote bag from Fancy Forest is perfect. I think a lot of us underestimate how important it is to have a good tote bag, and this one checks all the boxes for me. Not only does it have a really gorgeous adjustable strap that comes in this beautiful gold hardware, and this camo is so pretty. I love that it is this sparkly gold accented camo. I think that is just such a fun touch, but you can also carry it just by the handles if you're looking for a handbag. I really appreciate the lettering on this bag because they made sure that the O and the A lined up perfectly on these straps. There is so much storage in this bag. I think it's the perfect bag for work. You can put your laptop in here, some notebooks, you can bring all of your pens and accessories. I really think this bag is just so beautiful. I love the green color of this bag. It's this great canvas material, and it feels so rugged, and I think it's going to last a super long time, and it's going to become your new best friend. So if you've been looking for the perfect tote bag, look no further. Get this one from Fancy Forest. You are going to love it, and that is my point of view.